Assalamu alaikum my beloved students. I hope you all are fine and welcome to the class of mathematics class 8. Today in this video we will begin with the exercise 2.5, that how to solve the sums of 2.5. Let's begin with the first question. Solve the following linear equation: x upon 2 minus 1 upon 5 is equals to x upon 3 plus 1 upon 4. Now what's the difference in this question compared to the previous questions? So here, as you can see, this question is in the form of rational numbers, or I can say fraction. So we need to follow the steps of fraction also, means how to add and subtract the fraction. Meanwhile, we will follow the steps to solve the equation also. So let's try to understand how to solve this. So x upon 2 minus 1 upon 5 is equals to x upon 3 plus 1 upon 4. As I told you, dear students, here two concepts you will apply. The concept of solving equation and the another concept is of addition and subtraction of fraction. तो पहले हम इक्वेशन का कॉन्सेप्ट अप्लाई करेंगे. तो इसमें हमें क्या करना है, जो वेरिएबल की टर्म्स है वो सारी टर्म्स हम एक तरफ ले लेंगे. सो एज यू कैन सी हियर x अपॉन 3 एंड दे आर इन एडिशन. तो मैं ये x अपॉन 3 को इस तरफ ले लूँगी. सो व्हाट विल इट बी, x अपॉन 2 माइनस x अपॉन 3. This x upon 2 will remain as it is, as I have transposed the x upon 3. So the sign of x upon 3 will change, not of x upon 2. And meanwhile, in this step only, what will I do? I will transpose this minus 1 upon 5 to the other side. यानी 1 upon 4 के पास मैं constant को भेज दूँगी, that is 1 upon 5. So plus 1 upon 5. Okay, this is your first step to solve this type of question. Now what is your next step? The next step is the concept of fraction. क्यों concept of fraction? Because if I want to add or subtract, then they must be like fraction. अब ये like fraction क्या है? Like fraction means their denominators must be same. Their denominators must be same. Okay, so we will make them same if they are not. So let's begin with this. Here the denominators are 2 and 3. As the denominators are 2 and 3, we need to take their LCM to make them like fraction. So we know that 2 ones are 2 and 3 is not in the table of 2, so you will just keep it as it is. Now you can see that we cannot continue with 2, so you will begin with 3. This 1 will keep as it is and 3 ones are 3. So this is your LCM, that is 2 3s are 6. So 6 is your LCM. As the LCM is 6, you need to make this denominator 6. तो ये डिनोमिनेटर्स को हम 6 कैसे बनाएंगे, यानी 2 को मैं कौन से नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करूँगी तो 6 होगा 3. सिमिलरली हियर ऑल्सो आई विल मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3 एंड हियर आई विल मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2 एज 3 2s are 6 and here also I will multiply by 2. So this is how you can convert this into like fraction. Then after, let's see how to solve the next. यानी पहले इसे भी लाइक फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं. सो 4 and 5. सो अगेन वी विल टेक 2 2s are 4 and 5 is not in the table of 2, so you will keep as it is. 2 1s are 2, 5 as it is and 5 1s are 5. So what is your LCM? 2 2s are 4 and 4 5s are 20 is your LCM. मतलब यहाँ आपके डिनोमिनेटर 20 होना चाहिए. सो यू विल मल्टीप्लाई बाई 5 टू मेक इट 20. हियर ऑल्सो यू विल मल्टीप्लाई बाई 5 एंड हियर यू विल मल्टीप्लाई बाई 4 टू मेक इट 20. So this is the concept of fraction, that how to add and subtract the fraction. वी नो दैट वी कैन ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट द लाइक फ्रैक्शन, इसलिए मैंने एलसीएम लेकर इनको लाइक फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट किया. सो व्हाट विल आई गेट? 3x अपॉन दिस 3 2s are 6 minus 2x upon 6 is equals to 5 1s are 5 upon 20 plus 4 1s are 4 upon 20. Now what is the next step? The next step is very easy, dear students. Simply you have to add them. So look, 3x minus 2x upon 6 is equal to 5 plus 4 upon 20. We just have to add and subtract the numerator. तो ये 3 minus 2x क्या हो जाएगा? x upon 6 is equals to 9 upon 20. Now I want to find the value of x. तो x के साथ 6 जो है वो डिनोमिनेटर में है. If you will transpose, then it will be in numerator. So x is equals to 9 upon 20 will remain as it is here, and this 6 will be in multiplication. Now you can solve this. How can you? You can reduce it. So 3 2s are 6 and 10 2s are 20. So 2 and 2 cut. What is left over here? 9 and 3. So this will be 9 3s are 27 upon 10. So this is how you can solve this question. Let's move with the next question. As you will solve these questions, you will come to know and the methods will be clear to you. Okay? Okay. So here the next question is n upon 2 minus 3n upon 4 plus 5n upon 6 is equals to 21. Now this question is quite easier. Why this question is quite easier? Because all the variable terms or all the terms which are containing the variable are on the one side and all the constant are on other side. So simply you can directly add or subtract them, but you cannot do it because their denominators are not same. So you need to make them same by converting them to like fraction. So let's see how to convert them. We will take LCM of 2, 4 and 6. यानी denominator के LCM लेंगे. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. Again we can continue with 2, 1 as it is, 3 as it is because it's not there in the table of 2. So 2 1s are 2. Now you can go with 3 1 1. So 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. Right? So 12 is our LCM. We need to make each and every denominator 12. So this multiply by 6. Another will be multiply by 6. Here multiply by 6. Here also it will be multiplied by 6. Am I right? Am I right, dear? No, I am not right. I need to multiply it by 3. Why I need to multiply it by 3? Because यहाँ 4 है तो 4 3s are 12 होगा. So to make it 12 I need to multiply it by 3, and here to make 6 12 I will multiply by 2. Okay, so I will get 6n upon 12 minus 9n upon 12 plus 10n upon 12 is equals to 21. So now I have converted all of them in the like fraction and now I can solve it. Okay, so हम क्या करेंगे? हम सिर्फ न्यूमरेटर को ही ऐड या सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, डिनोमिनेटर को ऐड या सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं करना है. Okay, so here your numerators are 6n minus 9n plus 10n upon 12 is equals to 21. तो इसे सॉल्व करो. 6 minus 9 क्या आएगा? 6 minus 9 3, but 9 is greater, it is minus, so here we will put minus 3n plus 10n upon 12 is equals to 21. Now minus 3n and plus 10 opposite sign, मतलब आप उसे क्या करोगे, subtract करोगे. So 10 minus 3 क्या आएगा, 10 minus 3 7n, and this 10 is greater, it is positive, so I will put positive. 7n upon 12 is equals to 21. Now you can see this 7n and 21 are in division. If I want to find the value of n, then I need to transpose them. So 7n is equal to 21 into 12, क्योंकि ये 12 denominator में है. If you will transpose, then it will be in numerator. So that n is equals to 21 into 12 upon 7. क्यों? क्योंकि ये multiplication में है, इसलिए division में जाएगा. Now 7 3s are 21 and 12 3s are 36. So this is your answer, and this is how you can solve this question. Okay, dear students. So my dear students, this is how you can solve the questions if they are in the rational numbers or if they are in the format of fraction. Okay. Now in next video we will see that how to solve the sums of next exercise. Thank you and have a great day.